Sun just broke on the county line. Coffee in a thermos, phone starts to chime. Hey man, it's Jill, I'm stuck at Pump 8. Paul says drop a pin, I'm on my way. Yeah. On locked up safe, he'll get you in. From the grocery lot to the old State Inn. Got a heart like home and a truck that won't